If you're 30 plus and you have an education gap but you want to study in Canada, this is your video. I'm an education influencer, the founder of Canada, the biggest online space for immigrants in Canada. And I want to break down your options to help make Canada a bit closer for you. I'll talk about the difference between one-year masters and college diplomas, give you top 5 options for each alternative, masters, then colleges, and finally provide a solution to make this important choice. One-year masters versus college certificate. The Minister of Immigration said it himself.
At the same time, the cap will not apply to students in graduate levels of studies, including masters and doctoral students. Those are the people we're looking for.
If you take a master's or PhD program, there are many benefits. First, no cap. Second, higher approval chances. Third, one-year program gives you a 3-year PGWP. This is new, as before a one-year master's program would only give you a 1-year PGWP. Now, however, if you finish a 1-year master's program, you'll be eligible for a 3-year postgrad work permit. A 1-year college certificate, on the other hand, only grants you a 1-year PGWP, limiting your runway for permanent residency. Another big aspect is your family. Going forward, only masters and PhD students will be allowed to bring their family on a spousal open work permit and dependent visas. Finally, masters and PhD students do not require provincial attestation, making the study permit application the same as it was pre-2024. What's the downside of a master's? Well, the cost. Such one-year programs can cost $30,000 or more, while a college certificate can be as affordable as $15,000. Let's look into some relatively affordable master's programs. 1. Master in Quantitative Investment Management, University of New Brunswick, total $40,000. This is the best study program for financial analysts, bankers, and accountants. If you're looking to become a financial expert, this program will open many doors. To be eligible, you need to hold a bachelor's degree in science, engineering, computer science, mathematics, business, or economics. It's not only good for career progression, but to increase your student visa chances. The more narrow the program, the easier it is to explain your case to the visa officer. Number 2, Master of Business Administration, University of New Brunswick, total $34,000. This one-year MBA is a rare opportunity to enhance your education fast and relatively affordable for an MBA. You can choose between several specializations: investing, management, analytics, sports and recreation, and even law plus business, which is a really good option for many people. They also have bridging options. For example, if you have a 3-year bachelor's and your GPA isn't high enough, you can take 1 year to get that up and start the actual MBA. Number 3, Master of Public Health, Memorial University of Newfoundland, $7,000. The population public health stream is a great option for healthcare professionals abroad who want to step into managerial roles within the health sector. This program is a great opportunity for many doctors abroad who want to move to Canada. Number 4, Cybersecurity and Threat Intelligence, University of Guelph, total $42,000. There's a growing gap in cybersecurity specialists in North America right now. Therefore, this master's is one of the best moves for a software engineer and developer. The area where the school is located is known as the Silicon Valley of Canada, where most tech startups and big companies are based. So getting hired should be relatively easy, given that you have the experience and connections with the right people. Number 5, Master of Artificial Intelligence, Memorial University of Newfoundland, total $10,000. This is one of the cheapest options you will find in the whole country if you're interested in entering the artificial intelligence sector. You have obviously seen the rise in demand for companies deploying AI, so this master's program is future-proof. A little side note, the program is longer than 1 year, as the duration is actually 16 months. Now, let's see what college one-year certificates have to offer. And it's important we pay attention to this prediction of the distribution of the international student cap. These provinces are your best friends, as they will increase your visa approval chances. Number 1, Post-Diploma Certificate, Artificial Intelligence, Keanu College, total $15,000. This school in Alberta has amazing programs for software developers, and since we finished off the last list with AI, I decided to start this one with the same high-tech sector. Important to remember, Alberta is shifting its focus to the hospitality sector as oil prices are plummeting. But there is still a lot of opportunities in other provinces if you graduate from this program. Number 2, Post-Diploma Certificate, Cybersecurity, Bow Valley College. Total $26,000. When I toured the school last year, I was impressed by what the students told me, the great quality of education and employability, which is very important, of the graduates. Definitely recommend this school. Number 3, Graduate Certificate, Applied Construction Management, NBCC, New Brunswick Community College. Total $9,500. As you've seen in many of my videos, including with the Minister of Immigration of Nova Scotia, construction workers are in huge demand. Provinces around the country are opening doors and their PR streams and even giving them tax cuts for these professionals. Therefore, if you have some experience in real estate development or construction, I'd highly consider this program. Number 4, Post-Bachelor Certificate, Advanced Accounting, University of Lethbridge. Total $13,000. What do you study in Canada if you're an accountant? I'd do the Master in Quantitative Investment Management mentioned before. But if you're on a low budget, this is the next best thing. Good thing Alberta offers many pathways for financial professionals to stay in Canada and obtain PR. Number 5, Graduate Certificate, Healthcare Leadership, Northwest College. Total $20,000. This program is an alternative to a Master's of Public Health. It allows for doctors and nurses to get management and organizational skills necessary for stepping into leadership roles in health. Now, the solution for you to make the right first step. The success formula has 3 pillars. Align your background with experience and permanent residency pathways in the province. Moving at an older age is difficult, especially responsible when moving with your family. If you want to get our assistance, check out Successful Admission, where you'll get assessed and we'll present several options for you specifically, then help get admitted. I learned something from my own experience that I want to share with you, and frankly, experiences of many other people. It's expensive to be cheap, especially when you're moving to a different country. If you'd like to invest in your future, go to our website, CanadaImmigrate.com, or click on the link in the description of this video. And now please like this video for all the information and research you just received, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to hear next, what your issues are, how can I help you. And as always, I'll see you in this one next.